What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on Stellar Lumen token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will show you some fundamentals for Stellar and for the entire crypto market, where we are now. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast and technical analysis for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have very strong support right here and right here. And from this point, we are up for more than 100%. And it is very good movement. On top of that, let me show you that recent move to the upside with this huge volume. It broke this previous swing high and we are retesting it from the top. As you can see right here, we're retesting it from the top, and for now we have an opportunity to go even higher. And it is also a very good sign that we broke this resistance with huge volume. But I will show you my technical analysis in several minutes, and let's continue with the total sentiment of entire crypto market. As you can see, we are on coinmarketcap.com, and for now we have the total market cap of $2.37 trillion, and it is 1.48% increase over the last day. And as you can see, Bitcoin broke the $52,000 resistance level, and it's up for about 2% during last 24 hours and for about 12.16% during last week. And it has a consecutive movement to the upside, and it is very good for entire crypto market. Let me show you some numbers for Stellar. And for now, it has a total market cap of $9.88 billion, and its total tradable volume is $1.78 billion, and this volume is up for about 95%. Huge increase in volume. And as you can see, Stellar for now has a 22nd rank across all the top cryptocurrencies, and it is very good rank, I have to say, especially for the currency that is only 7 years old. And let me show you what is Stellar. Stellar is an open network that allows money to be moved and stored. When it was released in July 2014, one of its goals was boosting financial inclusion by reaching the world's unbanked. But soon afterwards, its priorities shifted to helping financial firms connect with one another through blockchain technology. And I have to say that during the last several months, we have a lot of countries that started to use and to started implement Stellar to its economy. One of these countries is Ukraine, and we have a lot of countries from African continent, for example, Nigeria. It also implement Stellar in its economy. And this is a very good sign for the token and very good sign for entire crypto industry. So, and we have a lot of news. For example, one of the latest news that was published just 9 hours ago on Cointelegraph, that blockchain security company GK8 announced a custody partnership with Stellar. And it's quite a big company, I have to say, and it is a very good partnership. And a lot of this type of news you can find on their official Twitter. And here it is. They have 623,000 followers, and they have plenty of news, and their Twitter is very useful from the informational standpoint. And as you can see, the Ukraine president, Mr. Zelensky, had a meetup in Silicon Valley, and Danelle Dixon, she is a CEO and executive director of Stellar. She met with Mr. Zelensky and discuss Ukraine's leading efforts around digital transformation. So this might be the main catalyst for the past several hours for this massive movement to the upside, because it has a huge volume compared to any other volumes that we have previously. It is the best volume from the beginning of June, and that is why this movement might continue. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, when you start to do your TA from scratch, always use bigger time frames in order to understand where we are now. And what do we have here? We have several waves, and let me show you. As you can see, we are on log scale and on daily time frame. And we have the lowest point in March 2020 and the highest point we have in May 2021. And from this bottom to this top, in my opinion, we finished 5 waves, and the main count is right here. This is the first wave, it is diagonal. Second, potentially this is the top of our third wave. Fourth, and again, fifth wave diagonal at the end of this movement. And as you already know, 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. And I have to say, it is not the smallest scale, it is basically the biggest scale for now. But we might switch to next level, and we might have a super cycle movement to the upside. And let me show you that from this bottom to this top, we might measure the retracement. And I pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this point to this very top. And what do we have here? We have a very good reaction, let me show you more thoroughly, right here at the golden pocket. And we had movement to the upside for about 40% from this level. But then we broke it, and we almost hit the range of 0.786. And from this point, we are moving up. And it is a very good movement, in my opinion. As already mentioned, we have more than 100% of potential profits for those who enter the position right here. And for now, let me show you on a smaller scale what do we have according to Elliott wave theory. And I don't need this tool anymore. And in my opinion, we have formed only 3 waves. This is the first wave, this is the second, this is the third one. This is the bottom of the fourth, and we are starting to form next wave to the upside, and it might land a bit higher than the previous top. So, what to expect next from this movement? If my Elliott wave breakdown is correct, and let's do some measurements in order to understand that first wave is not the biggest one. Yes, as you can see, we have third wave is exceeding the level 1-to-1 extension. This means third wave is longer than the first one, and this means we might have a trend continuation. We won't violate any rules of Elliott wave theory if we will have an extension in the fifth wave. So, and what might be our targets? Let's project some. To project it, I pull the Fibonacci retracement. I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom, from the bottom of the third wave, to the top of the third wave, and to the bottom of retracement. And our main target might be at 0.786 level, at around $44.6 price point. And we have a confluence level with this top, as you can see, and it might act as a resistance. We might have at least some kind of reaction around this level. Next potential level that we might hit is 1-to-1 extension, and it is also confluence level with this top. And right here we also have a possibility to hit this level and have some kind of reaction. And the most aggressive target for now is 1.618. And we might hit it only with the good sentiment and with the good volume that might drive the price of this token higher. And let me show you that from our current price we might have about 6%, only 6% to our first target, about 13% to our second target, and let me show you, about 36% to our third target. And when we will have a retracement from the entire movement to the downside, this will indicate that we are finishing the first wave, only the first wave. And then after the retracement we have to have more steam, and in this case we might have next major move to the upside in the third wave on the smaller scale. And this third wave will be massive, and let me show you that we have to break previous all-time high, and it is according to Bitfinex data, it is at around 80 cents per coin. And when we will exceed this level, I will do another update in order to establish new targets for this token. So, and what should you do if you want to invest in Stellar? You will have basically 2 possibilities. First of all, you can start to accumulate your position right now, because we might have a trend reversal anytime soon, and on every red candle you can accumulate your position on movement to the downside, and this position will give you much more juicy profits in the future if you believe that this token will have a huge impact on the entire crypto industry. And I'm pretty much bullish on XLM, and that is why I'm making this video, to make some clarity with their technical movements. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!